Yeah, champion. So this is the Jim Wright. We doing a little video here of how I mow the lawn. We have 10 acres that we got with this property that was foreclosed upon, and I got prices to do the lawn and had to do it a couple times like this, and ranges between 500 and 600 bucks per mow. And if you're mowing 4 times a month, which we are right now because of all the rain, that gets pretty expensive. So I tied a rope to a self-propelled push mower, and I moved around the yard, and that's how we get her done and do the lawn. Took them about 6 hours. It was 3 guys, and if I do it by myself, it does take about 20 hours to mow and weed eat and all that stuff. So I have the push mower, and I have a battery operated tractor mower, and between all that is how we get it done. It does work out pretty good. I usually have to change the battery out twice to do the rope is a 100-foot rope. So normally 2 times or 2 batteries, and it'll mow that section, and then I'll move it to the next section. Whenever the battery does die, it dies the furthest point away from the house, so I get the most exercise going to it almost every single time. But this is how we do it. I get people that stop all the time and look at it and watch it go around in a circle. I'm sure the horses across the street don't have a clue of what's going on, but it's funny. For Halloween, we're probably going to attach like a ghost or a skeleton or something on it and have the skeleton mow the lawn.